enhancing lecturer development for effective quality assurance integration in higher education. This important article is authored by the following scientists: quality is at the heart of transformative education, and lecturers play a crucial role in providing quality education. This belief encourages to state that inasmuch as factors such as institutional support, curriculum design, and student engagement influence educational quality, the role of the lecturer remains critical. However, there is a need to emphasize in this chapter that the quality of human resources in any country is a necessity. To be specific, universities have a multifaceted nature of human resources, encompassing not only lecturers but also support staff, administrators, and policymakers. This refers to skilled and semi-skilled staff. Universities focus on constantly improving lecturers' capacity for research, teaching, innovation and industrialization skills and knowledge that lecturers require. This is essential because they also have a direct impact on students' learning experiences. As a result, it is critical to assess the efficacy of lecturer development programs in terms of higher education quality assurance management. The purpose of this chapter is to analyze the effectiveness of the lecturer development program in enhancing teaching abilities and skills. Universities can increase the quality of their teaching and research by implementing lecturer development programs, which in turn boost their reputation. Thus, investment in lecturer development programs can be considered a sustainable strategy to advance the quality of higher education and achieve the goal of developing quality human resources. It has also been found that a supportive institutional culture that prioritizes quality assurance leads to better alignment between teaching practices and the desired learning outcomes. However, the challenges of lecture development programs involve the dynamics of technological change, globalization, and demands for curriculum diversification. Along with these challenges, there are also ongoing innovations in the design and implementation of these programs. Lecturer development was emphasized as a purposeful process that gives teachers the abilities and information they need to successfully negotiate the ever-changing terrain of teaching and learning. While integration was defined as the methodical incorporation of quality assurance concepts into all facets of instructional practice. Introduction. Lecturers play a crucial role in shaping the quality of higher education by not only teaching but also inspiring students, conducting research, and contributing to the community. As the needs of education evolve, lecturers must continuously develop their skills to keep up with changes in teaching methods, technology, and student expectations. Many countries recognize the importance of professional development programs to improve lecturers' teaching abilities, ensuring that they can deliver high-quality education. These programs focus on areas such as pedagogy, digital literacy, and curriculum design, helping lecturers stay up to date and meet the demands of modern higher education. Effective lecturer development is essential for improving both teaching and learning outcomes, which in turn enhances the overall quality of educational institutions. Moreover, universities must adapt to rapid advancements in science and technology, as well as the changing needs of the job market. By providing continuous training and support, universities can ensure that lecturers are well equipped to foster a positive and effective learning environment, ultimately leading to better educational experiences for students and contributing to the growth of society. Conclusion. This chapter highlights the crucial role of lecturer development in improving the quality of higher education. It explains how lecturer development, quality assurance, and integration work together to enhance teaching and learning. Lecturer development is seen as a process that equips teachers with the skills to adapt to changing educational needs, while quality assurance ensures that educational standards are maintained. The chapter also emphasizes the importance of professional development programs, such as workshops and mentorship, to help lecturers improve their teaching practices and meet new challenges. Institutional support plays a key role in providing the necessary resources and collaborative environments for lecturers to thrive. While the chapter recognizes the benefits of these processes, it also points out challenges like limited institutional support and the sometimes administrative nature of quality assurance. Overall, it stresses the importance of continuous improvement and innovation in higher education to meet evolving demands. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.